Y'all bake cooking for y'all?
Nah, I ain't.
What you doing then?
It's in there.
Whatever.
I say somebody cooking or somebody.
Well, what you doing?
They're cooking something because I want to try something.
Quit talking, man.
Okay,
Cause you went there asking for them, telling me something. Let them see. Go on. I told you get the camera. He think he about to whip it up, y'all.
Yeah, no thank you.
Okay then. So don't be telling me you ain't cooking for them because you will.
I'm cooking stuffed pancakes. And then stuffed pancakes.
Put it in the oven.
My own stuffed pancakes. Try my own stuff. Try to own something.
Tell them what kind of stuff pancakes you make it though, babe.
Huh?
What kind though?
What you mean?
What kind is it? What's you stuffing them with?
Oh, give me cheese.
Something I ain't never heard of.
You ain't never heard of it?
No.
How you ain't never heard of it?
Where you get this recipe from?
I can't tell y'all that. Exactly. You know, I be sending you stuff all the time.
You ain't send me nothing like this here.
I know. But
I don't know how this shit here finna be.
What? How it finna be?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's gonna be good.
We gonna see.
See that.
Baby, you can't never find nothing in your own kitchen.
Girl, shut up.
You shut up.
Yeah, like I be in this kitchen or something.
You always damn lost.
Huh?
Huh?
I know I just had 15, 17 sticks of butter. You move stuff all the time.
I don't be moving nothing.
Somebody just say, fuck it. Ain't no butter in here? Hey.
Yeah.
Where's the butter at?
The butter in the drawer.
No, I don't have about 47 sticks of butter.
And it should be a white thing in there with butter in it too. Y'all, he can't find them.
This ain't enough.
It's some butter in the box, ain't it?
Hell no.
Look in that other thing over there. It should be one stick of butter in that tray over there. If you ain't got no butter, get that bacon fat up there. Bacon grease just as good.
No, you had about 100 sticks of butter in here.
There's some butter over there, I think.
Pause that.
All right, y'all. He back in business. I'm finna go sit down. Let him handle his business over here for y'all. See y'all so y'all can see what he doing over here. Now don't forget you gotta be telling him stuff now, baby.
Man, I ain't doing all that. He'll get it together.
Y'all don't expect him to be telling y'all.
Alright, put a couple sausages up. One more butter heat up. They wanted some sausage. So we got sausage, egg, and bacon. That's what I'm making. Sausage, egg, and bacon. Stuffed pancakes. So there's gonna be 2 sausages for me and her, because there ain't nobody with me and her. I like bacon, so I got like 6 strips of bacon. There you go, man. I'm telling you.
Okay.
That's all I'm going. 2 scrambled eggs for me and her. They gonna be cut up fine. My teeth ain't no good, so I like my bacon cut up fine. That bacon cut up, she would have put them other big chunk hubs.
We're gonna get you some new teeth, babe. You're gonna be around here with some celebrity teeth. You want you some pearly whites?
Who?
Some of them pearly whites?
Hell no.
What's
Them motherfuckers gonna be
want?
bigger than my mouth.
No, they gon' no, you go to the right person, they fix them up just right.
Yeah, how I'm gonna wake up when they put me to sleep.
It's a doctor over in Colombia. We need her to come sponsor us on some teeth.
Yeah.
You can get your own mind bed. You can get yours bed. We'll sponsor. We'll do a video with it.
Yeah, that sounds like a death threat.
No, I don't.
I don't know. They got somebody else do it. Don't mean I'm doing it. They made it out. I might not make it out.
You'll make it out. You gotta think positive.
Might be my time to go.
Ain't nothing gonna happen if God don't allow it.
Okay, the guy ain't allowed me to go get them fixed then.
I don't know. You never know. You never know now. Get you some BBL teeth.
butter gonna melt and put my eggs in there.
Some veneers. Want you some veneers, baby? You be looking good. Do some veneers. Won't be able to tell you nothing.
I'm good.
Your ass won't stop smiling.
I smile with a slack 2 teeth now. Cook the eggs here. They don't like it. I use no spoon. I do the cheese.
They don't make the eggs dry now. Why you look away a little on that eye? You gotta get closer so they can see you. Look on the other eye right there.
They can see me.
Looking like you scared of the stove or something.
Where's my cheese? What?
Right there.
What?
What cheese you talking about?
Let's see.
I can't wait to see what these do taste like. A
What?
bacon sausage egg stuffed pancake. Never heard of that in my life.
Girl, you never heard of it.
No,
Girl, this stuff all on the internet.
I ain't seen that.
You don't know what to look for.
You don't either.
Who?
Who you seen to that?
I did it in the morning.
Yeah, you. It's all on the internet now. So is you the first one doing it?
Damn. Well, get back. Yeah. There's a lot of videos on it. Got my eggs.
You see how the heat must have been to fry these eggs. I told you to be good with fried eggs.
That ain't got nothing to do with me. I want mine scrambled.
I wanted mine fried.
Yeah, too late.
And put that fried egg. See though, babe? This thing gonna be busting with some fried
I
egg.
ain't gonna be busting with this egg. Got my eggs right now. I'm the first one to do it. I ain't the first one to do it. You
But
ain't
do
never,
me a fried egg.
you ain't never had it before.
You don't know how to make fried eggs or something?
I don't think I ain't making no fried.
I make it. Let me come make my fried egg. Because I know this shit gonna be good with fried egg. I don't care, I'm gonna eat it your way.
I know you will.
That look good, babe.
You look good, baby.
It do. Oh, that might be good now. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, give me pause the video. Give me one video.
You don't think do is let the pancake mix down?
I done mix my stuff up. They always talking about somebody don't know how to make something. She make something quick,
I don't know
simple,
you. I ain't know you be over there looking at recipes now. That ain't like you.
It is. You always gonna want somebody to do something for you. I promise you that. But when it's my turn, I'm gonna do something different.
So you be trying to find the quickest recipes all in one.
Yeah, one time. Quickest way I know how. Quickest way for me. And I would've rolled that mug up.
Roll it. It'll be the same. Like fold it in half.
Don't get used to it.
I don't know if it's good now.
You can make it.
Can't make no promises.
Yeah, you can make it. Yeah, it be like old boy.
Who?
Old boy I was just watching the other day, always smiling.
Oh,
You know what I'm talking about?
yeah.
And my butter down now. I should have used a smaller pan.
I told you.
Let me see what it said.
It's okay. Just use that one. It's okay. You in control how wide you make it anyway. You know what else would be good too? If you drizzle the syrup across it, that way the syrup be in it like a big
It's
grill.
alright. It's in there. I put syrup in there. I put syrup in the batter. And cinnamon. Cinnamon, syrup, and vanilla is in this batter mix. I said I don't think I'm gonna make it. You know I don't like no big damn pancakes.
So what you gonna make, about 50 small ones?
I'm trying to use all my stuff I got.
Get y'all in there so y'all can see.
This is how you make some sense. See that, baby? Simple. You got no grits and all that. Simple. You gonna appreciate it much, ain't you?
Cause I ain't have to cook it.
Now let that sizzle for a little bit till I flip it over. And I cook about 2 minutes on the side.
Is your fire too hot?
No, okay. I ain't the best flipper now. I got it. I like butter. I like butter.
Like is an understatement. You love butter.
A lot of fat. Never use no plate because I don't like washing dishes. I'm gonna let baby be the first one to bust it open for you. You ready, babe? What's the first one, huh?
Okay. You gotta cut it for him.
You come cut it. I said I'm gonna let you cut it.
I'll let you do it.
Hey, come on. Why the cheese next to come out? See the cheese on the top. Go.
Oh, excuse me. All right, y'all. So cut it in half. Look at that.
Right.
Whatever.
Fuck me up.
Hold on, y'all. Let me show you what it look like on the inside. Okay. Then we go our bacon, egg, and sausage pancake.
How many you want? About 2, 3?
Just 2. That's gonna be enough for both of us.
Not that.
What? That right there?
I'm gonna put it in there. Working with me.
Gonna dip that in some. That's good.
Thank you.
Yeah. I did that.
What? You?
I thought I could dig that. It's good, y'all. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that tastes good, y'all.